in the era of AI, artificial intelligence, what is MBA? How MBA is different now? Gone the days of mugging up the textbooks or going to the case studies, or at the most trying to get some little bit of hands-on experience. That also it was very, very rare by then. But today MBA is a very different ball game altogether, isn't it? So we all are aware with the rampant rise of AI, artificial intelligence. Yes. So MBA, okay, what comes to your mind when it comes to MBA? Master of Business Administration? Can we be a little creative? Can we be a little, like different, out of the box? That's what the first step of MBA is, thinking out of the box. It's not just about the data-driven or the market-driven, but about, driving the markets, different markets. It is not just mugging up 4 P's of 𝗠𝗵𝗂𝗃 product, price, place, promotion, but how to execute. So in this age of AI, it's not about information. The greatest power is not information, but ability of transformation, the holistic transformation, the physical, intellectual, mental, emotional, spiritual transformation. That's what an MBA is. So MBA is, मैं बनूंगा अमीर, मैं बड़ा आदमी, माँ बाप के अरमान, मेरे बड़े ambitions. Be positive, because whatever you are, Buddha has very rightly said, as you think, so you become. So MBA, it's about how to be more down to earth in all senses. Take a deep dive when it comes to MBA, when it comes to different specializations of MBA. That's basically, suppose HR. So how AI will help the MBA aspirants, those who are just joined as management training? Definitely, it will help you. It will help you for ATS-based tracking, the application tracking system-based, the resume. That is one. And also AI-enabled profile management. Analyze or get into the attrition rate prediction, because that is something which industry struggles through. People come on board, but within no time, nowadays, with due respect to Gen Z, they move out of the organization. So the attrition rate, the rate at which the people move out of the organization, they tender resignation and they go out. So AI will help you to crunch the data, big data, in no time. Also, when it comes to marketing, digital marketing, right? So sentiment analysis, different social, cultural norms, and their emotional attachment towards different brands, and why they would like to patronize that very particular brand. So that is about the digital marketing, right? When it comes to business analytics, to co-create the dashboards, to understand the consumer behavior at the speed of light. When it comes to seasonality or any festival, demography, gender, age group, any part of the world, say Christmas is coming, Diwali is coming, Eid is coming, what kind of shopping is going on, why they choose, what would they choose. So you are going to analyze the big possible data in no time. That's what they help when it comes to the digital marketing. Supply chain management, forecasting techniques, the inventory control, the management in no time, the transport management. That's the beauty. When it comes to MBA in finance, the deeper version of fintech is basically to create the financial models, to enable literacy, even when it comes to people who are into rural area. So how we are going to make them financially literate? I recall my days, 2000, early 2000, when we have this, very famous module of, finance for non-finance managers, those who are not coming from the financial background. So this is very, very important. So towards the end, I would say MBA is not just, like, मैं भी आया, but it's basically मैं बड़ा आदमी. And when it says मैं बड़ा आदमी, it means with great power comes great responsibility, and we should enable the holistic development evolution for all the beings at all times. It is not just about the competency, it's about the compassion. Compassion is the compass of life. 100 years from now, 50 years from now, 30 years from now, what matters with AI is human skills, that emotional intelligence, that spiritual awareness, self-awareness will be much, much needed, will be in demand. That's an imperative. Thank you very much. Happy MBA.